I just want to show you a bit more of the watercolor style, more of a transparent style, and then bring things to the foreground with, well, other materials. Now, this page here makes it very easy for you to distinguish foreground from midground and background, and that is by the depth of the line work. So here, Sherlock and his violin, of course, they have a very thick black outline, so they're absolutely the foreground, they're the focal point. Now you could ask, what colors are you going to use, Sarah? How can you determine which colors are the right ones? Well, that's fairly easy. First of all, watch Sherlock. If you want to go with the colors that come with the show, if you want to use the settings. Another thing you could do is look at the web, and there's photos there. You can, there we go. I'm just blocking in the color. And I'm being very close to what the colors look like in the TV show. That is one theme that I'm going to carry through this book. So if you are, if you're wanting to see how you could, or how to choose colors from screen to a scenery, to a picture, and how to color match and such, this would be maybe something for you that could be helpful. Next up, I need a skin tone for Mr. Holmes. And I do like the flesh tone for this. I can darken it up enough. Actually, I could go flesh and apricot. So, cleaning my brush. And this is the underpainting for Sherlock.